Y'all, I've got one more chicken breast left, so I thought let's make some chicken Caesar Pita pizzas. I've got some fontina cheese, y'all, that I'm gonna grate. Mitch has got our pitas.
And I'm painting these up with a little bit of olive oil. And then we're going to sprinkle a little bit of your cheese on top of them and stick them in the oven for a little bit.
There you go. And then we're gonna make a nice Caesar salad, and we're gonna put on top, and then we're gonna put a little bit of our poached chicken.
I love working with anything left over. I don't know what that is about me. And that's one reason I love what I do so much with Chicago Lost and Found, because where most people see junk and trash, I see beauty, which is bizarre, but that's exactly what I see.
What is that saying? Another man's trash is another man's treasure.
That's exactly right. Well, for instance, you know, I can't wait, that beautiful serving tray that I brought for you today.
Oh my gosh,
And by the way, that's a gift to you. That's gonna go in your lovely dining room when we're finished with it.
Let's get this in the oven.
Here.
And we're gonna melt that cheese in our 350-degree oven, and that should only take just a few minutes. If you would mix up the Caesar dressing, I'm gonna start making up the salad, and this lettuce looks good.
All right, so I'm gonna start here with about a half a cup of olive oil. You know, Caesar dressing is interesting too. You can sort of make this to your own taste.
Absolutely.
Then I'm gonna add about a tablespoon, maybe up to 2 tablespoons of the Dijon mustard. You know, some people don't like anchovies, and so—
Oh, I love anchovies.
I know that some people do not like them, so you have some places that serve Caesar with no anchovies. Always put some hot sauce in, because I like it a little spicier. And again, this is to taste. And then we'll add a teaspoon of the Worcestershire sauce.
Okay, easy for you to say.
Right. And we'll whisk that good.
And my salad is gonna be very, very simple, like a Caesar salad should be. We're not putting croutons in it because we've got our pitas, which is our bread
You know,
ingredient.
they call that simple salad honeymoon salad. Did you know that?
No, I didn't know that.
Lettuce alone.
Lettuce alone. I get it.
You never heard that?
No.
I think that's an old restaurant joke.
Lettuce
I don't know.
alone. Well, I can't believe being in the restaurant business that I hadn't heard that one.
I'm gonna mince a couple of cloves of garlic.
Oh, yay. I'm gonna just sprinkle this with a little salt and a little pepper. And I'm gonna take and I promise y'all, this is the last of the chicken. No more leftover chicken, no. So I'm gonna take our chicken and I'm gonna just slice it, and we'll use this to top off our pizzas. Now I'm gonna check on our pitas.
All right, let me help you out with those.
Okey-doke. Look at this.
Oh my gosh, those, I could eat that by itself.
Pretty good
Paula.
leftovers. I could too.
Let's go right
All right,
here.
can I sit those right there?
You may. I'll squeeze out of your way.
All right, now I'm gonna slice up this other tomato. Okie dokie.
I've diced a couple of anchovies, and we're gonna squeeze a little bit of lemon over that.
Anchovies are very, 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 very salty.
All right, you ready for me to dress this thing?
I'm gonna get us a pita.
All right.
And this is gonna be a fabulous pizza.
Let me help you out here.
Yes, yes, yes. And if you want to dress our salad.
How does that look, Paula? Perfect dressing?
That looks delicious.
All right.
And I'm just gonna take my tongs and toss that.
Oh, that looks delicious.
Looks wonderful. And now I'm just gonna put this on our pizza.
I could eat it just like that, but I can't wait to get the chicken on it.
I know. The last thing that's gonna go is our chicken. Look how beautiful
look how pretty
that looks.
that is. Isn't that beautiful?
It's gorgeous, just like you.
No, just like you, in the shadow of your beauty, Paula. Everybody's pretty, don't you know that?
Now how are we gonna eat this sucker?
I don't know. Are we gonna,
very carefully.
I'll tell you what, you could almost eat this Greek style like a pita and fold that sucker in half.
You know what? Let's just try it just like this.
Here we go. Yum!
Delicious.
Right?
Right.
Well, I can't wait to get home and make this,
Yeah.
Paula. This is delicious.
It is so good. The hot pita with the fontina cheese is the bomb.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.